Here I have VIVO IQOO U3, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. So for example, you can add exceptions to this mode. It could be people, it could be apps, it could be alarms and other interruptions. You can also set up a schedule for this mode. You can set up default duration of this mode, and you can also select like which items you want to hide. Which notifications. Like you can hide only sounds from notifications, or you can hide sounds and visuals, or you can customize for yourself which items you want to see and which not. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.